Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X3 Neo. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with numeric. And now we can enter 6-digit numeric password, 4-digit and 4 to 16 digits numeric password. Let's set up 4-digit password and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric password, and to create it, enter 4 to 16 letters and numbers. Use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's select pattern. To create it, connect 4 dots, at least. Use it to unlock the phone. And now go back. Enter face unlock, which is our first biometric. Continue and now scan your face via front camera. Tap done. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to fingerprint, agree, and simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.